So we're looking at more rolling entries. Let's look at a rolling entry from side control. So from our position with the cross face underhook, I'm going to smear Dane's right elbow out and replace it with my right elbow. So I have a reverse cross face, and then I'm going to turn my hip. So we're in control 4. Left hand's going to grab his knee. I'm going to pull his left leg towards me, so there's a top leg and a bottom leg. Of course he's going to pull it back, so the minute I pull it across, I snag it with my left leg at his Achilles, try to get it back, bro, and my right knee is in his left hip. Once I'm in this position, I'm just going to start moving from on my hip to belly down, and a windshield wiper and pass Dane's right leg from my left leg to my right leg. Notice the way my right knee is tight to the near side hip, and I just windshield wiper and make the lockdown, or Danaher calls it the scorpion. From there I'm looking for that far leg, and then I just roll over my right shoulder. Again, we're into the truck, but we're just going to bypass that. Control the hip, control the head. Now I need alignment. Hipping out, and on the back. So another angle on that one, bro. And on your back again, just head that way. Perfect, yeah, nice. Just turn this way. Okay, so from side control, okay, cross face underhook, I'm just going to push that elbow out and replace it with a reverse underhook and switch my base to control 4. Detail of keeping my right knee tight to the near side hip, because at the space he could possibly take my back. So again, I'm pulling the knee towards me, so there's a top leg and a bottom leg. And immediately, because it's now arms versus legs, and then he pulls his leg back, I'm going to lose that battle. So I pull it and snag it at the Achilles. Okay, I'm not in at the back of the knee yet, because if he pulls his knee back, he can nearly reverse me. So I'm right at the end of the Achilles. Pull it back now, and I'm stretching my elbow out. Notice when I'm on my side. Now I come to my knees, and I windshield wiper my right foot in and pass it his right leg from my left leg to my right leg. So I make the triangle, and then I go shoelace to shoelace. I want that far leg. I pull it towards me, and then I'm rolling over my right shoulder. We can finish from the truck, but we're just going to bypass that. I put my heel my heel on the heel to heel, and then I'm just going to leg press, control the hip escape out, and roll the back. Let's just get one more angle on that one, bro. Facing that way. So now we better go this way. Nice. So cross face underhook, push out, elbow comes in, switch my base, maybe just go this way, bro, so you can see what I'm doing. So once I'm here, I'm pulling that across, and I immediately snag it as Achilles with my left leg. From there, as I turn sideways from my hip to belly down, I windshield wiper and do that little pass off and just make the triangle. I go shoelace to shoelace, find the far leg, and then I'm rolling over my right shoulder. I can leg press, hip out to get alignment, and I'm on the back. So that is our rolling attack from side control.